a possible key to the problem is this. It's arrived, and I think part of the reason we couldn't find a 3-pin sensor is on the loom it's 3 pins, and on the diagram 3 pins, but in here this plug is actually a 4-pin, so that wouldn't have helped. It's a different design, so I'm yet to see if it's actually going to fit and what modifications. It's a bit wider, which means I'll not clear the pedals, but we will come to that. We can modify metal, it's not a problem. I'll keep this stock, so if this ever failed I could just put a new one in rather than modify this and then struggle if this ever failed. We're still waiting for one sensor, but it's simple switch, so we've bridged it. So basically what that means is when that's bridged, that's the clutch down. When this switch is out, so it's spring loaded, clutch is down, and obviously here we have the clutch in as far as it'll go, clutch down. We cleared all the faults on the PCM using ForScan. It's a great little piece of software this for Fords, and it runs the HS and MS systems with a little switch here, so that's great. So all the faults now just relate to missing systems like ABS and SRS and stereos and stuff, nothing that I'm worried about. The one thing I'm getting though with cycling the ignition, or not getting I should say, is I'm not getting fuel. So we're going to go for a crank. Now the coils are unplugged. If I turn the ignition and she cranks by herself, it will be the first time she has ever cranked all by her lonesome without any intervention. So let's see if it cranks over. That's the first thing. Let's see if we have fuel. That's the second thing. And then we'll plug some coils in and see if she actually fires. So here we go. This will be the first time I ever turn the key with these extra bits and see if it works. Okay, well that's very promising. Ignition off, let's see if we get any fuel in here. We had this pop off earlier, this fuel. I'm not really sure what's going on there. It's not firing the fuel pump up for some reason. Let's just try that again. Yes, we've got fuel. A lot of fuel. Right, okay. That is filthy fuel as well. I don't know why it's so dirty. Just watching the pump. So we're going to do that again. It's like varnish coming out until we get fuel that's clean. Nice. Okay, we've got clean fuel coming through there now. Okay, this is good. This is good, people. So we've got clean fuel. Let's just trim the end of our petrol fuel pipe. It's split for some reason. I'm going to do that. The varnish fuel system. Let's get our varnish out of the way. Look at that. So that must have been what's in the fuel pump. Even though I tried to empty it out. Right, push that on. Seal up that clamp. Oh people, this could be it guys. This could be our first start of the EcoBoost engine. Let's just remember this engine hasn't run in 4 years. Sat in a shed for 3.5 of them. Right. We've checked it's got oil. The next thing I'm going to check, it's got oil pressure. And we'll crank it a little bit more until we're happy it's got oil pressure. Oil light goes off. So let's do that next. Okay. Well, we'll do a final fault check. See if we need to clear any codes for misfires because the coils are not plugged in right now. So let's just. Wow, this bonnet isn't very good. This is why people make them removable. So imagine the fuel not being very good in it, in the rail, but we did try and clear it out as much as we could. Okay. Coils plugged in. This could be the first time it starts. Here we go. Okay, let's try again. Oh, she nearly went. Okay, do one more time, then we'll let the starter cool. Okay, let's just let the starter cool. She's trying to fire then, so that's a good start. But she obviously wasn't happy about something. Right, come back to that. She was trying to start earlier. Yay! At least she tries to start now. She just keeps doing that. She won't actually idle. I'm wondering if there's something amiss there because of all this piping missing. So. Lunch and then come back to that. But hey, on the key. She won't start. Okay, so we bled out the fuel a little bit more. I double checked a few things, I can't remember what they were. Cleared some codes for the misfires again. And let's just see what she does now. Twice to go. It's a bit smoky at the exhaust. It's got old fuel in the injectors, I'm thinking that's what it is. Come on, baby. Alright, we're going to come back to that. She does start though. Okay, we've added this little emulator, which you'll see light up now, which simulates the signal that the RCM gives the ECU that says, hey, you've not had a crash. Slightly excited.